Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription really makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss the next videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all notifications. Did you think our solar system was the norm in the universe? A model replicated billions of times among the stars? In reality, the universe is far stranger and more varied than we ever imagined. Every newly discovered planetary system seems to tell us, forget what you thought was possible. Some seem like the product of a boundless creative mind, with extreme orbits, multiple stars, and planets with almost impossible features. In this video, I'll take you to discover some of the strangest solar systems ever observed by humanity. A journey that will test your imagination and revolutionize your idea of what a planetary system can be. Let's start with TRAPPIST-1, one of the most studied systems in recent years. Located about 39 light-years from us, this system orbits an ultra-cool dwarf star, about 12 times less massive than the Sun and much dimmer. But what makes it so special is that it hosts 7 rocky planets, all similar in size to Earth. 3 of these are in the habitable zone, where temperatures could allow the presence of liquid water on the surface. The most extraordinary aspect of TRAPPIST-1 is its compact geometry. The 7 planets are so close to each other that an observer on one could see the others in great detail, with planetary disks larger than the Moon in our sky. Moreover, the planets are in orbital resonance, a delicate balance where their orbits are mathematically synchronized, like notes in a celestial symphony. This rare multiple resonance protects them from collisions and instability. Recent studies also suggest that the density of these planets may indicate the presence of vast oceans, perhaps even water worlds without continents. If life exists out there, TRAPPIST-1 is one of the places where we might really find it. Let's now move on to WASP-12b, one of the most extreme planets ever discovered. This gas giant, classified as a hot Jupiter, is located about 1,400 light-years from us. What makes it special? It orbits its star at such a short distance that it completes an orbit every 1.1 Earth days. This means its atmosphere is constantly heated and stripped away by the star, forming a toroidal cloud around the system. It's one of the first examples of a planet undergoing stellar evaporation, a process where radiation slowly destroys the planet itself. Its temperatures reach insane levels, up to 2,500 degrees Celsius, enough to break apart atmospheric molecules and create clouds of exotic compounds like vanadium and titanium oxides. Tidal forces exerted by the star deform the planet into an elliptical shape, a cosmic egg that testifies to the brutality of its environment. And as if that weren't enough, WASP-12b is also a dark planet. It reflects less light than expected, absorbing most of the radiation it receives. This makes it one of the darkest objects ever observed in the universe. According to some studies, it might disappear entirely within the next 10 million years, consumed by its host star. The Kepler-16 system takes us to the heart of a fantasy turned reality: worlds with 2 suns. Until recently, the idea of a planet like Tatooine from Star Wars was confined to science fiction. But Kepler-16b is real, and it orbits a pair of stars that orbit each other. This planet, about 75% the size of Saturn, completes a full orbit every 229 Earth days, maintaining a relatively stable distance not from one, but from both stars. The environment is obviously very different from ours. The lighting constantly changes, with 2 sunrises, 2 sunsets, and cyclical variations of light and temperature. And yet, this balance exists and persists, clear evidence of how nature can surprise us. Dynamic studies indicate that circumbinary orbits, once thought too unstable for planetary formation, are more common than expected. Some theoretical models suggest that rocky planets could also exist in binary systems like this one, and that, in certain configurations, they might even be habitable. Kepler-16 opened a door no one expected. the door to planets dancing between two suns. Now we arrive at HD 106906, a system that challenges almost every logic of planetary formation. Located 336 light-years from us in the constellation of the Southern Cross, it hosts a giant planet, HD 106906b, which orbits at an impressive distance, 650 astronomical units, or 97 billion kilometers from its star. For comparison, Pluto orbits at only 5.9 billion kilometers from the Sun. At that distance, standard planetary formation models don't work. The protoplanetary disk would be too thin to form a planet with 11 Jupiter masses. So how did it end up there? One theory suggests that HD 106906b formed much closer to the star and was flung outward by a powerful gravitational interaction, perhaps with another star. Another, even more fascinating hypothesis suggests it may have been captured during a close stellar encounter. In any case, its orbit is inclined, misaligned, and unstable on cosmic timescales. It's a planet wandering on the margins, a survivor testifying to a turbulent past. This system shows us that the universe is not made only of symmetry and harmony. It's also chaos, collisions, and randomness. Finally, let's explore TOI 178, a system discovered in 2020 by the TESS satellite and located about 200 light-years from Earth. At first, astronomers thought it was a chaotic system, 6 planets with very different densities and evolutions. Some are rocky super-Earths, others are gaseous mini-Neptunes, and their compositions didn't follow any apparent order. But a later discovery revealed a hidden pattern. The 6 planets are linked in a resonance chain of 18 to 9. 6 to 4, 3 to 2, the longest ever observed. This means the system, though seemingly disordered, follows perfect order, as if it were tuned with millimetric precision. This balance is so fragile that a small disturbance could destroy it, suggesting TOI 178 has remained surprisingly stable for billions of years. The most curious part? The density of the planets doesn't follow a radial logic. In other words, it doesn't increase with proximity to the star as in our solar system. This suggests the planets formed in different places and then migrated, swapping positions like dancers in a gravitational choreography. It's one of the best examples of how orbital resonance can create order from disorder. These 5 solar systems are just a small window into what the universe has to offer. Every star can host a unique arena of celestial dynamics, shaped by collisions, migrations, precarious balances, and unknown wonders. As we continue scanning the sky with ever more powerful telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope or the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Telescope, we can expect to discover even more. Perhaps planets with giant rings like Saturn's but 10 times larger, or habitable moons. Or even triple star systems with impossible orbits. Each new discovery teaches us that our solar system, despite its extraordinary beauty, is just one of the infinite possible variations. In a cosmos that seems to know no bounds, diversity is the rule.